Welcome back to our channel. But before that, don't forget to click the bell, like, and subscribe.
Hi student! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How are you for today? I hope that you are always be fine and keep staying healthy because you know that we are still face pandemic right now. Okay, now welcome back to our English lesson. Can you guess what we are going to learn for today?
Before we start the lesson for today, can you guess what are these pictures about? Have you ever seen them? And what are those for? Oops! That's right, they are part of application letter. Before we continue, let me tell you about our basic competence and our learning objective for today. This is our basic competence for today. It's taken from 3.1, that is, membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk surat lamaran kerja. And 4.1, menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks khusus dalam bentuk surat lamaran kerja. Now let's see what is our learning objective for today. There are three our learning objectives for today. They are to understand, analyze, and distinguish. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar menangkap makna, menganalisis, dan juga membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari surat lamaran pekerja. Now, what is application letter? Apa sih surat lamaran kerja itu? An application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job. It is an important information and includes reason for applying for the position. Jadi, application letter itu adalah surat lamaran pekerjaan yang kita kirimkan untuk melamar kerja dan berisi informasi penting tentang alasan kita mengapa kita ingin melamar pekerjaan tersebut. From those explanations, we can conclude that the social function of application letter is used to apply for a job. Jadi, fungsi sosialnya adalah untuk melamar pekerjaan yang kita inginkan. Sampai di sini paham ya? Now we continue to the generic structure of application letter. Generic structure adalah struktur teks ketika kita ingin menulis sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan. Apa saja sih yang menjadi bagian dalam struktur teks surat lamaran kerja? Let's check it out. The first one, applicant address, then date, employer address, salutation, opening paragraph, body of letter, closing paragraph, closing, signature, and the last one is attachment. In applicant address, you need to write your name, your address, your telephone number, and your email address. For the date, you can use British style or American style. For British style, put month first and the date. If you use American style, put the date first and then the month. It's up to you which one do you like best. Look at the example given. In employer's address, you can write employer's name, job title, company's name, and company's address. Jadi ini adalah alamat perusahaan yang kita tuju. For salutation, you can write Dear Sir or Madam, or Dear Mr. or Dear Mrs. Ini sama seperti dalam bahasa Indonesia kepada yang terhormat Bapak atau Ibu. In the opening paragraph, you can write, I would like to apply, or I'm writing this to apply. Paragraf ini berisikan jabatan yang ingin kita lamar. In body of letter, you can write your educational background, skills, and reason for applying. Ini adalah bagian paling penting karena berisikan tentang kemampuan kita dan juga alasan kita melamar pekerjaan. In closing paragraph, you can write, I would be more glad blah blah blah, or I hope blah blah blah. It is the writer's intention and also thanking letter. Penutup ini berisikan harapan dan juga ucapan terima kasih penulis kepada si penerima surat. For closing, you can write yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Ini adalah salam hormat di bagian penutup. The last is signature. In here, you just need to write your name and sign it. For the enclosement, you can attach your resume, identity card, and recent photo. Bagian ini adalah berkas pendukung yang kita kirimkan bersama surat lamaran pekerjaan. Now, do you understand? Okay, good if you have understood. Now, let me show you the example of application letter. From the example given, you can see that the generic structure of application letter through the column and the arrow that I had given from the text. Please analyze the text according to its generic structure. What should we do to write application letter? That's right, we should pay attention to the language features of the text. There are 5 things that you should pay attention when you are writing an application letters. The first one is begin and end the letter appropriately. Second one, give a clear reason for writing. Third one, use linking words to join similar ideas into paragraph. The fourth one, include the summary comment near the end of your letters. And the last one, close your letter with a set of phrase. Jadi, ada 5 hal yang harus diperhatikan ketika kita akan menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan. Di antaranya, yang pertama, mulai dan akhirilah surat dengan tepat. Yang kedua, berikan alasan yang jelas ketika engkau menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan. Yang ketiga, gunakanlah kata hubung yang tepat untuk menghubungkan ide-ide menjadi sebuah paragraf. Yang keempat, masukkan ringkasan ataupun komen di akhir dari surat lamaran yang kamu tulis. Dan yang terakhir, akhirilah atau tutuplah surat dengan sebuah kalimat yang singkat. Okay, squad, now we continue to the exercise. Look at the text below and understand it. After that, please answer the question. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to keep staying healthy and keep studying. Thanks for your participation, and see you next time. Bye bye.